I want to take this time not to ask, but to appreciate. I want to use this time to appreciate, to sincerely appreciate the International Archbishop Dr. Onyeka. Baba, Chinakalibe, Baba, honestly, I am overwhelmed because anybody have the right to know you for anything, but I also reserve the right to know you to be an honest person, a compassionate man. Your honesty has transcended. You said it and you did it. When we were purchasing this land, when I was negotiating for this land for my clients, you gave us a huge weaver, a very huge one, that if I'm allowed, I will say it here, but for the interest of the business, I will conceal it. But the weaver that you gave to my clients all the way from South Africa is what motivated him to say no, he must proceed. And today, not just that weaver, but you have allocated that same land, 400 plots to these clients, who is all the way in South Africa. And I also want to use this opportunity to thank that young man, Martin's Farm, for believing. First of all, trust.
Yes.
Trust. You don't know me from anywhere. You don't know me from Adam, but you said that you know the program, the Unify Igbos Now, that you know Anamachawanim, and you believed in us. You said that you will invest in Ali. For over 20 years, you left Nigeria. Today, you are returning wealth back here. You might have left here with nothing, only but dreams over there in South Africa. But today, you have made name for yourself, you have made wealth, and you said, no, Ali Igbo must benefit. I say thank you. Thank you to every members and stars of Pine Leaf Estates and Properties Limited, because your voices are being heard. Your clients, the customers that are patronizing Pine Leaf are testifying that the realtors are very, very sincere with them. So I say thank you, wherever you are. And I want to say a very big thank you again, appreciation to this young man who is the surveyor of this great company, or one of the surveyors. But I've had the opportunity of working with him in different occasions, in different locations too. He has been sincere with me, and today he is out here under the Scotting sun to allocate, to help us map out this land and allocate it to the clients. Thank you, one name.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Igbo. Ndị mee tata ka ọ dị ka mbọsị tata ka esi wee ka ya na-ekene ndị our brother
Martin's Farm, all the way from South Africa.
All the way from South Africa, for the trust to come and invest with Pine Leaf Estates and Properties. Or did easy. As no one ka eji aka and oburu ka esi wee kwu ya. So na-ekene our Lord Bishop Archbishop Onyeka Nzekwesili, the CEO of Pine Leaf Estates and Properties. Jide mmaneze owele ojane mogo nnukwu mmanụ ka ebu ana m akpọ gị dad emelizi nji akpọ gị ya father to us,
nna ndị nna,
I swear. But omere much ndị ekwu ka afọ okwu mbọsị okwu ka ekwuo ya. Thank you, Alman Bless. Pine Leaf Estates,
land banking is a must.
onye abụrụ onye Pine Leaf
Ọ na-ebe, ọ na-akwa alele.
Thank you.